Hey guys, I'm here for another unboxing of the FabFitFun Summer 2025 box. So here it is right here. I'm gonna open it up right now. Now, first thing I have to say is I absolutely love FabFitFun. Yes, I have too much stuff already. I need to declutter, but every box, there's things I think I don't need that I actually absolutely fall in love with. From the spring box, some of the things that I absolutely love that I didn't know I would. The London Town lacquer for my nails. I just started to paint my nails myself again after years of doing gel. And this nail polish is so beautiful that I went and looked for other items and other products from this brand. So here you can see a look at the chrome nails that I did. It wasn't this color, but I went and bought another similar polish that had the chrome color because I love the way that this nail polish wears. And also really love the Sunnies Diff Charitable Eyewear. I wear these all the time. They look so great. They're so comfortable. And also the Anastasia blush was in here, but the box is always filled with really good, surprisingly really good stuff. So let's open this one. Okay, let's see what they have in here. So the box is the same. It's summer. I wish they would just ship this. Just ship these guys. Just forget the big box because it creates a lot of waste when you can actually just stick a label on this and ship this one. So the outsides, it's the same as the spring. This is the summer 2025. Let's give her the big reveal. I get a kick out of the inside of the box. So this is the 50th box. Wow. There's a QR code right there. It's a scan to enter and win big. Option number one. Now I noticed that this always changes by the time my audience gets to pick. So maybe it will, maybe it won't, but I'd like to give my reasoning about why I picked each one. So number one is Show Me Your Mumu Sunseeker Tote. It's a super cute tote. I have enough totes, and as you can see, I am clearing out my handbag wall. So the last thing I need to do is add more handbags. Number two is the Glow Recipe Blackberry Retinol Blemish Serum. I have enough retinol. Then we have the Turkish beach towel. This is really cute, but I have a lot of beach towels. And then we have the Gauzy maxi dress. I was tempted to get this, but it's not really something I pictured myself wearing. Other options, there's two different sunglasses. I have been choosing sunglasses every single time, so I'm gonna chill on that, even though they are both super, super cute. Year and Day Salt Cellar. I don't know what this is, and I don't like my salt being open because hair will land in there. And a serving platter. I do not need any more of those. I have enough in my wedding registry, and I'm not even married anymore, so I don't need any more platters. What I did choose was the Blush Balm Francesca Bikini and Body Trimmer. Yes, it is a bush trimmer. I think we all need one of these. Why not? So that's what I got, the Bikini and Body Hair Trimmer for, you know, places. Adjustable comb, cordless, rechargeable, waterproof, ergonomic, and powerful and controlled. I like seeing this because, you know, men have their trimmers. So now here is the girl version. Let me open her and see. Okay, so here's a little baggie, I'm guessing for the cords. Yep, the cords and a comb, you know, when you really, if you really have a jungle. And this fits in the bag too. Oh, it's so compact and it's already charged. There you go. All right, so she'll be getting some use today with, you know, summer bikini season coming around. I don't know how much these cost. So it says here the retail price is $65, which is more than half the box. So if you're questioning if it's worth it, I always find that it's worth it. So now option number two, we have the First Aid Beauty After Shower Nourishing Body Oil. I do not need any of these things. Glow Recipe Papaya Cleansing Balm. In the Round House Sicily striped set of 4 dip bowls. Those are super, super cute. And a Swell bento box. I was very tempted to get that one to match my Swell salad bowl, but I really didn't need it. So what I ended up with was the Aerie Low-Key Long Line Sports Bra. If it doesn't fit me, it will fit my daughter. So that's honestly probably who it's going to. It's really cute. It is really soft. I do a lot of yoga, so this is perfect. And my daughter just joined a track meet, so I've been running with her. So one of us is going to use this cute little thing. I like that it's a little bit longer for modesty. So, and it has pads. That is nice too, especially for us Asian gals. So yeah, okay, so that was number 2. Then the other options, Glow Recipe, Strawberry BHA Pore Smoothing Blur Drops, some glasses, like drinking glasses, African Botanic Stretch Mark, and then the NARS Afterglow Sensual Lip Shine. And it looks like you can choose from 4 different shades. Not something I needed. I have enough lip product, and that is why I went with the sports bra, because like I said, we cycle through them like crazy. Now choice is number 3, the Skincare Tools Cryo or Thermo Recovery Mask. I did like the idea of this, but if I have an eczema flare, that is when I put ice on my face, so this would be convenient. However, so are my ice packs, so I didn't want to have another thing. Earrings are really cute, but I cannot wear them unless they're 14K. Compartment sunglasses. I was tempted to get this, but then I thought, where am I going to put it? And I don't travel with 3 sunglasses at a time, usually just 1. Lemongrass Breeze Candle. I do not burn candles because they're toxic. So I picked the Thrive Cosmetics Bigger Than Beauty Pout Hero Liquid Balm Lip Treatment. We can always use lip treatment here. My daughter tends to like the lip oils if it's a lip oil, but this actually, it looks like a gloss. I thought this was a lip oil roller, but this has a little wand here. It smells so good. So I am actually gonna try this when I'm not wearing my lipstick, because I don't like getting lipstick on a brand new wand. It bothers me. So I'm gonna use this after I wash my face and give it a try. Okay, choice number 4, Basque SPF 30 Lotion, Thrive Cosmetics Waterproof Eyeliner, Dr. Jart Cryo Rubber Face Mask. This looks creepy, but none of these things I need. I am in the cosmetics industry and through YouTube get a lot of stuff, so I'm just kind of trying to stay away from cosmetics, even though I end up really loving them. Ingrown Hair Bikini Patch. I don't really have a problem with ingrown hairs. If you use the right type of pre-shave oil and shave cream, you will not get ingrowns. DP Hue Glossy Glaze Sheer Gloss for your hair. This was in the box options last time and I didn't choose it. I would choose it if it were black, but this one is clear. So what I did choose is the Set in Stone Shelly Anklet. Retail for $64. I do not have an anklet. I have a million bracelets, rings, necklaces, from my many wonderful sponsors, but I do not have an anklet. Ooh, this little pouch is so cute. That makes a really nice gift. This is very, very cute. Oh my God, I love it. This is so festival, beachy, summer, spring, oops, music fest, concert, whatever. This is so, so cute. It's very gold and freshwater pearls. I love freshwater pearls, just very girly. So I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, also, I notice every time this box makes a great gift, or even if you want to break it down, like this itself, if you're going to a party and you're bringing a hostess gift, just like bring in the little bracelet or gift the whole box for like, you know, Mother's Day is coming up. You can gift the whole box. It's a great gift for a great price, or you can separate them. I would love to get that bracelet as a gift. Choice number 5. So there's more jewelry in here. And I do believe they ask you when you're starting FabFitFun, they ask you if you want lifestyle, home, jewelry, skincare, and that might change like your options that you're able to get. But this one, there's jewelry. So there's a Ariel ring by Marilyn Schiff in either silver or gold. Then you have a jelly claw clip. I have so much hair that my hair has never, like those claw clips just pop off or they break. So not my thing. First Aid Beauty, I really like First Aid Beauty Whole Body Deodorant Cream. I wanted to try this. Maybe I should have, but I have other deodorant creams that I'm working on. Fitness Towel, didn't need it. A Konjac Walnut Shell Exfoliating Body Sponge. I like the idea of this, but I have other body exfoliators. And the Beach Riot Straw Visor. I really like this, but I have, I think, enough hats and enough visors. So I went with the Swede Beauty Lash Lift Mascara. I have so much mascara. I think I say that every time I do this box, which is why I haven't picked mascara in the past. But this says Lash Lift, and I have tiny little short Asian lashes. So I really, really want to get a lift out of my mascara. The mascara that worked for me before that lifted my lashes was from Shiseido, and it got discontinued a long time ago, and I've never found a decent replacement. So crossing my fingers, this might be the one. We never know. Okay, now number 6, these are the options. Another piece of jewelry, our Spare Change Floral Cuff, the Olaplex Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo, Parachute Home Makeup Towel Set. Oh, that's kind of cute, didn't pick it. And then we have the Earth Harbor Siren Bio Retinol Hydration. Sounds nice. Like I said, I have enough creams. So we have the Nopalera Bosque Mystico perfume and the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Scrub and a spoon rest. So I think the one thing I wanted to try was the Array Not Today Gray, because yes, I do have a little gray hair popping up here and there. I always see it in my video, it's just like a neon sign popping up there against my black hair. I did discover in a previous box, I ordered the Array Leave-In Mist Detangler, and it is so good that I started to look at the company and kind of fell in love with it. Their detangler is amazing that even after I got the box that had it, I went and ordered another detangler, leave-in conditioner. So why not try the vitamins? You know, out of everything on the list. My hair is very healthy, but I did go through like an unhealthy period last year where I felt like I was losing a lot of hair. So I just want to make sure like my vitamin intake is correct so I don't lose the pigment in my hair. So here are the details. This is my coupon code. You can find the links in the description, and you can order just one, or you can order 4 boxes and pay up front. You get a bigger discount that way and a free gift, or you can just order 1 box and send it off to someone as a gift. I think it's just an excellent way. And you know, as girls, we just love things, beauty, home, everything. Okay, so here you go. There are all the things. I think it makes an amazing, amazing summer box. So let me recap. Number 1 was the trimmer, the bush trimmer. Number 2 was the liquid balm lip treatment. I'm gonna open this today. Number 3, the sports bra from Aerie, super soft, pretty nice. I might have to use this today too. Number 4, the very, very cute ankle bracelet. Now I can say I'm an ankle bracelet wearer. Number 5, the Lash Lift mascara. Oh, let's look at it again. Let's look at the brush. Nice thin brush, which I really like because you can really get in there and push the lashes up. So when you're using mascara, make sure you grab the root and push up so that your lashes do this instead of like most people just get the tips. So you're gonna like push your lashes up. And then number 6, the hair vitamins Not Today Gray. I hope this review was helpful. Let me know what you're picking in your box, and I will see you next quarter for the next unboxing of the FabFitFun box. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.